Here's an update on two waterline replacement projects on Park Boulevard. Work is almost complete on the long stretch of pipe between Preston Road and Coit Road, and on the area between Independence Parkway and Custer Road. This work will involve some lane closures, but minimal pavement replacement is needed. There will be some traffic control measures at the intersections of Independence, Custer, Alma, and Chisholm Place. This half of the project should be finished by summer. Crews will soon start a process known as pipe bursting between Country Club Drive to Los Rios Boulevard. Pipe bursting replaces the old line with new pipes. Since it does not entail extensive digging, the installation is faster, which translates into cost savings. Traffic control measures will be taken when the work reaches the intersections of Jupiter, Shiloh, and Los Rios. This part of the project should be completed by August.